so you want to retire early. We don't blame you. After all, who doesn't want to experience the joys of retirement sooner rather than later? But before you start packing your bags for an early retirement, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we will explore how to retire early and very young. From saving money to investing in the right places. Watch to learn more about retiring early and making it work for you. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Knock out debt early. Debt is a major roadblock on the path to early retirement. The interest payments alone can eat up a large chunk of your budget, and that money could be better used to fund your retirement savings. There are a few different strategies you can use to pay off debt quickly. One option is the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debts first, and then work your way up to the larger ones. Another option is the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first. Avoid bad debt. Debt is a tool that can be used to your advantage or disadvantage. Used properly, debt can help you finance a home, start a business, or even fund your retirement. However, bad debt can quickly become a financial burden that drags you down. Here are 2 tips to avoid bad debt. Know the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt is investment-grade debt that will likely appreciate in value over time. Bad debt is high-interest debt that will only lose value over time. Don't borrow more than you can afford to repay. This may seem like common sense, but it's easy to get in over your head with credit cards and other loans. Only borrow what you know you can comfortably afford to pay back. Purchase appreciating assets. There are a lot of things that can appreciate in value over time, but not all of them are good investments. You want to focus on purchasing assets that will go up in value, while also providing you with some level of income. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Real estate, collectibles, precious metals, commodities. Set expectations realistically. It is important to set expectations realistically when planning to retire early. This means understanding how much money you will need to live comfortably and how long your retirement savings will last. You also need to factor in inflation and the potential for rising costs of living. Inflation can eat away at your purchasing power, so you'll need to have a plan for how to keep your costs down. Avoid big expenses. To retire early and very young, you'll need to avoid some of the common expenses that can eat into your savings. That means foregoing some of the things you may want in retirement, such as a big house or an expensive car. Instead, focus on saving as much as possible so you can retire as soon as you reach your financial goals. One of the biggest expenses in retirement is health care. While you may be eligible for Medicare when you turn 65, it doesn't cover all medical costs. You'll still need to budget for things like insurance premiums, co-pays, and prescription drugs. Pick a retirement plan. There are many different retirement plans available, and it can be difficult to decide which one is right for you. Here are a few things to consider when choosing a retirement plan. Your age and how many years you have until retirement. The amount of money you will need to have saved in order to retire comfortably. The lifestyle you want to maintain in retirement. Your health and life expectancy. Once you have considered these factors, you can start looking at the different types of retirement plans available. Some common options include traditional pensions, 401ks, IRAs, and annuities. Talk to your financial advisor about which option would be best for you, based on your unique situation. Conclusion. There you have it, our guide on how to retire early and very young. We hope that this has given you some food for thought and that you will start taking steps towards your own early retirement. Remember, the sooner you start saving, the better off you'll be. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.